very happy day to my dear children. I, Angel Singh, welcome you all to the English online classes for today. Today, children, we are going to start with the poem titled Summer and Fall, written by Nona Keene Duffy. I'll read out the poem for you first, then we'll go furtherly for the explanation. Today, it still is summer. Tomorrow will be fall. I see the purple asters, I hear the autumn's call. I feel the warm sun shining as a balmy south wind blows. I see more flowers blooming and I see the grass still grows. The goldenrod is waving, the bees are in the clover. I hear a distant honking, the geese are flying over. The maple leaves are golden, the pumpkins round and yellow. The apple cheeks are rosy, the pears are getting mellow. The nuts are growing rounder, the corn stalks brown and sere. By 20 lovely tokens, I know that fall is near. Today it still is summer, tomorrow will be fall. Today I still am barefoot, oh, how I love it all. So this was the whole poem. Now let's go with the explanation paragraph wise. The title says summer and fall. We are very well aware of the seasons, the changes in the weather. Summer we know, fall here means autumn. Today it still is summer means the time when the poet is writing this poem, she is saying that today it is still summer. Tomorrow will be fall means that the autumn season is at the door. I see the purple asters. I have given you the picture of aster flowers. So she is able to see these purple asters. I feel the warm sun shining as a balmy south wind blows. She can see that still that there is a warmth in the sun and a very pleasant wind is blowing. I see more flowers blooming and I see the grass still grows. Though in autumn we know that in this season it is the time of shedding. The trees shed their leaves. Everything turns yellow or red. But still, since today is still summer, then the grass is still growing and the flowers are still blooming. The goldenrod is waving, the bees are in the clover. I hear a distant honking, the geese are flying over. The goldenrod, the picture is given there of the yellow flowers in the bushes. These are known as the goldenrods. The geese are known to migrate now and they will migrate towards the west. So they are honking. So she can hear that if these geese are honking, it means that the autumn is near. The maple leaves are golden. The leaves in the picture, the yellow colored leaves with 3 to 4 corners, they are the golden maples. Why are they golden? Because now it is about to autumn and they have turned golden. Earlier they were green in color, but due to the change in the weather, they have turned golden. The pumpkins round and yellow. The pumpkins are ripened now. The apple cheeks are rosy. The pears are getting mellow. Okay, they are getting softer and the apple cheeks are rosy. Still they are now ripened, that is why they are turning red. The nuts are growing rounder, the corn stalks brown and sere. By 20 lovely tokens, I know that the fall is near. Okay, now there are the corn stalks means they are the stem of a corn plant. Okay, and they are growing, the nuts are growing rounder and by the tokens, by the 20 tokens means the symbols or these signs, जितने भी signs अभी उन्होंने count करवाए हैं, these all signs they indicate that the autumn is near. Today it still is summer, tomorrow will be fall. Today I still am barefoot, oh I love it all. Okay, now she is in love with the summer season. She is loving sitting there and observing the things. Today she is saying that it is still summer, but tomorrow the autumn season is about to begin. and today still she is sitting without any footwear, and she loves to sit like that. She loves every changes that she is able to see in the nature. So I hope children you understood the poem. Please go through it again and try to list out the things which you feel that comes changes in the nature while there is a change in a season. Like now, right now the summers are going on. You can list out the things between the spring and the summer. You have just left spring behind and you have entered in the summer. You can list out the things. Observe the nature. It gives you pleasant thoughts. Thank you so much children. Study well. God bless you all.